Hello friends, we welcome you to our channel Shubh Labh Vedic Astro. As you might have seen in the thumbnail, we are going to discuss the combination being created by Jupiter and Saturn in the zodiac sign Capricorn and its effect on the various zodiac signs. Friends, Jupiter is a benefic planet. It remains in a sign for 12 to 13 months. It is lord of two houses in the horoscope. Moreover, besides this, it is having the general working responsibility of five houses in the horoscope. These houses are very important, namely second, fifth, ninth, 10th, and 11th houses in the horoscope. So it is clear that Jupiter, being a benefic planet and having so much responsibilities, is very vital for a native for good things to happen in his or her life. From 14th of September to 20th of November, during 67 days, the Jupiter and Saturn are combining in the zodiac sign Capricorn. Friends, the Capricorn is the sign of Saturn. So, Saturn transiting in its own house is creating a powerful Raj Yoga for various ascendants. And Capricorn, being the sign of debilitation for Jupiter, the cancellation of debilitation is being held by the presence of Saturn in its own sign Capricorn, which in itself is a big Raj Yoga. So that is why we are focusing on their combination during this period. Today we will be discussing few signs which are going to be benefited the most during this period. Friends, the first sign is Aries. In Aries, the Jupiter is the lord of ninth house and 12th house. Ninth house is the house of luck and it is transiting in the 10th house, which is the house of profession, occupation, achievements, and moreover, the 10th house lord Saturn is present in its own house. So, friends, it indicates that the native will get high success in his job, profession, occupation during this period. No doubt there will be some obstacles in the beginning, but as the things move, the things will get momentum and the native will be benefited most. Moreover, the friends, Jupiter is having its fifth aspect on the second house and seventh aspect on the fourth house. Second house is the house of wealth, family, and speech, and fourth house belongs to house peace, mental peace, heart, house, plot, property, vehicles. It means that there will be good celebrations in the family. Native will gain wealth. He may get his stuck money back. He may get a big order. He may get a promotion. He may get a transfer which is favorable to him. And during this period, he may purchase a plot, house, or a vehicle. So the period is good for them. They should take advantage of this period. Friends, the next sign is Virgo. In Virgo, the Jupiter is the lord of two central houses, namely 4th and 7th. Fourth house, as we have discussed earlier, belongs to plot, property, house, vehicles, mental peace, house peace, mind, heart, mother's health. So, being the lord of two central houses, and the seventh house belongs to bed peace, married life, partner in the business. So, having the responsibility of two good houses, it is transiting in the fifth house, which is a triangle house of the horoscope. It itself is a big Raj Yoga, and moreover, the presence of Saturn in the fifth house itself in its own sign means that native will be having a big success during this period. Fifth house belongs to children, general intelligence, love life, sudden financial gains. So the native can clear a big competitive exam during this period. He may get a promotion or a new assignment. He will be getting recognition in his society, good name, fame. So period is also good for them. They should plan accordingly and take advantage of it. The third such sign is Sagittarius. In Sagittarius, the Jupiter is the ascendant lord and the fourth house lord. Having the responsibility of two central houses, the Jupiter is transiting in second house with the second house lord present there. So it is a big Raj Yoga being created, which means the native will gain wealth, family position, family peace level will be very good. His speech will be very good, and he will impress the people and the society with his speech. Moreover, the Jupiter's ninth aspect on the 10th house is indicating that the native will get a promotion, a big deal, a big order. Besides having good financial gains, he may get his stuck money back. So these people should also plan accordingly and go for the success. The other sign we are going to discuss is Pisces. In Pisces, again, the Jupiter is lord of 10th house and ascendant lord. Having the responsibility of two central houses, it is transiting in the 11th house of the horoscope. 11th house is the house of gains. Friends, gains can be financial, can be health gains, can be success in a space where the native was not getting success, like if he gets a child So it is a success for him. If he gets married after a big wait, then it is a success for him. If he recovers from a disease, then also it is a gain for him. So it is indicating that the native will be having gains during this period. So whatever things were not being received by him, he was waiting for them, he can get during this period. The one thing is there that he should plan accordingly and he should not relax. Friends, the next sign we are going to discuss is Taurus. In Taurus, the Saturn is holding the responsibility of ninth and 10th houses, and the Jupiter is holding the responsibility of 11th house, which means that the lords of ninth, 10th, and 11th houses have combined in the ninth house. It means that Lord of Luck House, Lord of Profession Occupation House, and Lord of Gains House are combining in the House of Luck. It indicates that the native will get success according to his efforts or maybe more than his efforts. So, time is very good for them. They should try hard. Moreover, the Jupiter, while transiting in ninth house, is having its fifth aspect on the ascendant, seventh aspect on the third house, and ninth aspect on the fifth house. It means that the Jupiter is holding the balance of the horoscope while sitting in a triangle house, which is a very auspicious sign for them. In the end, friends, we want to clear one thing that we have used word Raj Yoga in the video so many times. Yoga means combination and Raja means king. So you can understand that while we are discussing about the success, so it means that the native will get big success, king size success during this period. Moreover, if Jupiter and Saturn are in a strong position in the birth horoscope of a native, then the success level will be very high during this period. And if Jupiter and Saturn are weak in the birth horoscopes, then during this time the success level will be low, it will not be of a significant level. To improve upon the things, we suggest that the basic Vedic mantra of Jupiter can be recited by the native, which is Om Gram Greem Grom Sah Guruve Namah. Om Gram Greem Grom Sah Guruve Namah. Om Gram Greem Grom Sah Guruve Namah. So, in the end, friends, we request you to kindly like, subscribe, and share our channel so that the others can also get the benefit of this. If you have any suggestion or query, then you can WhatsApp us. So, thank you, friends. Have a nice day. God bless you all.